Assalamualaikum. I'm Muhamad Talhah bin Tambikha, Matric ID 2018228892, Bachelor of Mechanical Engineering, Faculty of Mechanical Engineering, University Technology Mara, UITM Shah. In this title, I will present my proposal report entitled Augmented Reality Karakuri Sop. My supervisor, IR Dr. NOOR AZLINA Muhammad SALLEH. Okay, we proceed to introduction. For introduction, IR 4.0. IR 4.0 is development in digitalization and automation of manufacturing processes. IR 4.0 also is a way to achieve title of a world-class manufacturing. AR technology and Karakuri system are the examples of solutions on implementing the IR 4.0 with successfully. For Karakuri system, the Karakuri system can be defined as mechanism device that only rely on physical force rather than electrical power supply and a sophisticated machinery system using the natural power sources. AR technology. AR technology is a simulated 3D model superimposed on real 3D environment that creating a synthetic environment. Okay, here we can see the picture of example Karakuri system and AR technology. On problem statement, we have two problem statements. First, 3M issues. What is 3M issues? The 3M enemies of lean can be found in both production and office processes. First M, mudah or waste, can be defined in 8 categories, which are defects, waiting, non-use talent, transport, inventories, overproduction, motion, and excess processing. For second M, which is muri or overburden, impact resulted from mudah. A machine or workers utilize their activities for more than 100%. This means breakdown to machine and inefficiency to workers. The last M, which is murah or unevenness, can be found in fluctuation in customer demand, process times per product, or variation of cycle times for different operators. For example, lower volume production with high product variation. It is not optimized. For my second problem statement, learning education. Traditional learning process can be bored and dull, especially to the new generation children because of limited interaction between them and learning tools. Thus, by applying the AR technology in learning process, the users can create an interaction with the objects and promote better real experience in performing learning, training, and conducting works. For my objective, I have 3 objectives. The first one, to study the Karakuri system and AR in field of manufacturing. For the second objective, to design the 5 basic Karakuri models by using CATIA software. And the last objective to be achieved is to design AR SOP for assembly processes of 5 basic Karakuri models. Now, proceed to literature review section. The first one, IR 4.0. IR 4.0 can be defined as involving of robotics, digital technology automating, and emerging technologies, cited by W.D. Leong et al. 2020. Nowadays, many machines had work specifically based on human commands. Thus, in IR 4.0, this trend will be replaced by the advanced manufacturing system by involved coordination and digital robotic, cited by A. Baneseva and J. Tupa 2017. The second one, augmented reality. AR technology is different from other virtual technology because the users cannot touch or do any interaction body with the AR model, but the users can feel the better experience on visualize with the model, which looks similar like in real world, cited by RCM Yusuf et al. 2019. Every engineer and developers had given more attention to AR technology on analyze the simulation of the product and analyze of the practical problems cited by S. Rankohi and L. Wok 2019 for the last literature review Karakuri system. The Karakuri system typically represent pure mechanical device that increase work efficiency without external source like electricity, which only rely on physical force and natural power source, cited by D. Anggarahini et al. 2020. The main objective of Karakuri system is to decrease the labor energy consumptions, to reduce the effectiveness of motions of activity, and eliminate any non-value or non-profitable input, cited by D. Anggarahini et al. 2020. Now, for the methodology to find this, my project, first, I am using Six Sigma DMIC. The first D, define. According to statistics known as Bureau level of statistics, there are many injuries and fatal accidents were reported in manufacturing industries which are coming from handling and lifting operation in an industry, cited by Bureau level statistics 2020. This first methodology is related to objective 1. Okay, for the second measure, Karakuri system has 5 basic mechanisms which are seesaw, pulley, slide stroke, slider crank, and rotation. There will be a standard catalog which is providing the dimensions, type of materials, and weight of each component. This model will be exported to Unity Hub software for making the AR project. This measure method is related to objective 3. For the analysis, determine to analyze the causes of 3M issues in manufacturing industry which are MUDA, MURI, and MURA. Transfer a large number of items from high place to lower place. So, we need to design the model in CATIA software. This is related to objective 2. For the improve, the pulley mechanism is working as a device in lifting operation. The bulk items can be moved from high place to low place by rely on gravitational force. The data for pulley mechanisms had been analyzed to improve the ergonomic condition. This improved section is related to objective 2. And for the last is control. The Karakuri models are easy to maintenance because no technicians or programmer are required. The company can increase the sales through marketing by offer the customers the AR experience of the product. And this is related to the objective 1. Summary for my research methodology. First, define, measure, and analyze, improve, and control. We can see here there are several steps for every section to find the best result for our project. Now for the last section, which is expected result. There are several expected results can we get from this project. The first one, 5 basic model of Karakuri system can be designed precisely in CATIA software and display in AR without any errors. Here we can see the picture of design the pulley mechanism in CATIA, the left picture and the right picture. For the second expected result, the users who interested on doing their own AR project can use SOP state below as a guideline. There will 3 phases for making AR project. The first one, modeling phase. Next, assembling phase for AR. And the last one, smartphone application phase. Okay, here I will describe for each of phase. First, modeling phase. Open the Unity Hub software and choose the image target, which will be functioning to pop out the 3D model when the smartphone camera points to it. Import the 3D model in FBX mode into the software or can drag manually into same section with image target. Adjust the 3D model scale if necessary, and the last one, Choose the platform for the application operating system, but most highly recommended is to use Android operating system. The second phase, which is assembling phase for AR. Download and install the APK file. The application will be named Vuforia. Open the application and it will directly enter the camera mode, pointing the camera into the image target, and the 3D model that had been imported will be popped out automatically once the camera detects the image target. For the last phase, which is smartphone application phase, download and install the APK file. The application will be named Vuforia. Open the application and it will directly enter the camera mode, pointing the camera into the image target. The 3D model that had been imported will be popped out automatically once the camera detects the image target. After we follow the sequence from first phase until the third phase, this is our result. Karakuri system fully model. Okay, here I will provide my time-lapse video during the AR process. Now, the end. That's all from me. Thank you for lending me your ears. Any question regarding my project, you guys can comment below. That's all from me. Thank you.